Hello, welcome to Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam and today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Evoque in stock. This one in particular is what we call the Edition. So fantastic specification based upon the Dynamic SC with a couple of nice extras to talk about. So it's a 2-litre diesel D200 engine finished off in the beautiful metallic of Eiger Grey. Now, Edition, we get the exterior black pack with that bit of specification, surround sensors, and coming around to the side, again part of the Edition, we do get them stunning 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Now we also get privacy glass on the car as well as the black mirror caps. We've got deployable door handles, a sliding panoramic roof, which is absolutely fantastic bit of specification, a fully powered electric tailgate, which we'll show you straight away. We've got a really good size boot when it comes to Evoque, and underneath we do have some additional storage space. Looking into the back, should I say, we've got a two-tone interior on this car with the the cloud and ebony duo. Fantastic condition, plenty of leg space for the rear occupant as well. And jumping round into the front, we've got electric car seats, a part digital TFT display, which reads 18,310 miles. Now, heated steering wheel, we've got the likes of adaptive cruise control, really nice for the motorway, navigation, phone connectivity, the likes of wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which I think are big things for me. And underneath, we do have all of our dual zone climate control, heated seats, heated windscreen even. But just mentioning again, we do have that sliding panoramic roof, which I think makes a huge difference to the inside. Lets that light in and makes the car feel even more spacious than it already is. We've got Meridian speakers as well, which makes the sound absolutely fantastic if you are into your music. But this is an excellent example of what the Evoque does have to offer. And if you do have any further questions, my name's Sam. You can give us a call. The number's 01642 644 444. Thank you.